How to create audio React Waves background in After Effects. Let's get started. Create a new composition, then hit OK. Go to File and import your audio. Create a new solid, name it Audio. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Audio Spectrum. Drag and drop on your solid. Set audio to your audio. Change start frequency, 1400. End frequency, 5800. Frequency band 156. Maximum height 32,000. Audio duration 200. Thickness 12.80. Check blend overlapping colors. Increase hue interpolation to 169. Check dynamic hue phase. Change display option to analog lines. Check duration averaging. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Direction Blur. Increase direction to 4.70. Blur length 700. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Twirl. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Turbulent Displacement. Go to First Frame and keyframe on Offset. Then go to Last Frame. Then increase Offset Turbulence. Go to Effect, Stylize Glow. Increase Glow Threshold. Increase Radius. And also increase Intensity. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Optics Compensation. Increase field of view. Check reverse lens distortion. Control D to copy your audio solid. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Fastbox Blur. Increase blur radius. Set normal to add. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.